Mr. Ankit and Miss Vinita. They're the part of the organizing committee. Would you like to remind us more about the theme that is galvanizing the innovations?
Galvanizing innovations is our theme for Envisage, and it basically means the journey from invention to innovation. Now, if these are scientists that we are celebrating, we are commemorating them and their achievements. They have invented the very fundamental things that have revolutionized our world today. We can't imagine our lives now. In case they didn't find those inventions, then I don't know how we could imagine all this communication and telephone and everything. So Da Vinci gave the sketches for gears, and those gears are such fundamental to us that they are used in every machine. They are used in every machines. And then we have Newton, who gave the theory of gravity, and because of which we fly in aeroplanes, we are traveling through by air. And again then we have Braille. Louis Braille gave us the new script of Braille language that has empowered blind people. Again, Charles Babbage, father of our computers, he gave the mechanical programmable computer. At that time, nobody could have imagined a programmable computer. So that is a big thing. So these are small steps that in their time were very big, and those steps have been innovated, improved upon to give us innovations like our smartphones, for example. We are able to talk wireless through wireless communication. So all of our surroundings is filled with innovations that have been built over these innovations. And that is why we are celebrating and commemorating them. And this is the theme of Envisage.
So, Mr. Ankit, which department are you from?
We are from ISC. ISC stands for Institute of Informatics and Communication. It's an institute which was founded in 1998, and it has got a unique structure in the way that it deals with two disciplines instead of one. That is, it's not just confined to IT only, it is confined with electronics also, and people here are free to innovate whatever they think. And because of this ambience here, we have been able to innovate many things like DuoForge, and we also made an ANT server in the last year, and we presented the approved upgraded version of that. And the server which we made, it was approved by the Vice Chancellor of our Delhi University also. So it's really kind of innovating center. It's kind of innovating pilgrimage for the guys who really want to innovate something.
So, there are a lot of events in this technical fest. So, would you like to give us an idea about the type of events and the names, maybe?
Yeah, there are many events and we have every year in our Envisage. We have got Exquisite, which is currently going on, which basically deals with quiz related to skills in programming languages and also IT industry. And we have also got Make Break, which basically deals with the testing the candidates with the ability of debugging any program or any snippet of code. And also we have got Sets and Steps, which basically deals with the knowledge of the candidates regarding their knowledge of algorithms and data structures. And we have also got some very interesting events like Langstorm. See, everyone is fond of playing games, so we have, keeping in mind we have also kept this event in which the guys will be playing Counter-Strike and NFS also. NFS, everyone knows it's Need for Speed. And also we have got the overnight event called Viva an App, in which basically the team which is participating has to make an application, and it's really kind of interesting for the guys who are innovators. So
It's like a hackathon.
It's like a hackathon.
So an overnight event, hard work of 12 hours makes you gives you the result of a software application, and applications are just used nowadays just like that. So they are very important to us, and we basically, being students, being able to form applications is a good experience. You go through a lot of errors and debugging and all sorts of problems while making an software, while developing a software. and all of that is experienced in these 12 hours. So that is a great experience.
And also in this event, like we all are acquainted enough with the making of a web application we made during our projects in last year May June. So our guys are there to help the guys if they stuck somewhere, if they are not clear with anything as far as the making of web application is concerned. So it's really kind of innovative event.
There is an event called Treasure Hunt in your fest. So, what is so innovative about that treasure hunt? Can you please explain that to us?
Usually, treasure hunts are running around, finding clues, and reaching your goal, reaching your prize. But this time, we've planned something different. The first few rounds of treasure hunt are based on the computer. You are supposed to find clues and solve puzzles, several layers of puzzles, and you'll get passwords to enter the next clue, and you'll getting the entire access to internet. Even then, that is challenging enough to solve those puzzles. So usually it's out of the box. Literally, it is out of the box because it's not actually just like other treasure hunts. It is first based on computer. It is technical basically. You have to search the internet to find your clues. So searching the internet also has a technique which is learnt here. So basically it's fun and learning in treasure hunt.
So, sticking to the theme that is galvanizing innovation, the events here are also very innovative. Let's find more about these events with interacting with other participants.